Hey amazing you fam, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be making a personalized face mask in 4 easy steps using my Cricut Easy Press Mini and some Cricut Earn on Vinyl. If this is something that you would like to see, then keep watching. Every item I use to create these masks, and they will be listed in the description down below. I'm making 2 masks for my daughter using 2 different color glitter vinyl. She wants the Chanel logo on them. This project was fast and easy, so that's why I created this video into 4 parts. Let's heat up the Easy Press Mini before moving on to step 1 of this process. My daughter wants the Chanel logo centered in the front of the mask. I'm going to measure it so that I know what size to create the Chanel logo design in Cricut Design Space. Now I'm going to use the Easy Press Mini to smooth out the mask, especially in the middle, and to remove any moisture before moving on to step 2. I open my Cricut Design Space and click on the home icon, and from there I click on Canvas. My design is already created in my projects, but I wanted to show how I created this design. Next, I click on text to create the letter C that I want to use, and the font I use for this is Cricut Sand. Then I click on duplicate and then flip the letter C, then click on flip horizontal and adjust it to look like the Chanel logo. Now it's time to type in the word Chanel using the same font I used with the letter C. Adjust the size to my liking, and now I'm ready to make it. But before I click on make it, I've already welded the other 2 designs so that they will print together. Step 3, preparing the vinyl. I'm measuring my vinyl on the Cricut mat to see exactly where I need to cut it on the cutting board. And then I'm going to repeat the same process with the other color vinyl. I place painter tape on the mat to hold the vinyl in place. And now it's cutting time. It's the same process I did in my last video. You can check it out right here in the top, as you can see, to see how I made t-shirts for my family for Christmas.
Overall, I'm satisfied with the outcome and my daughter loves the mask. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you have a Cricut Easy Press and how do you like it. Thank you to all my subscribers for helping me grow my channel. And until next time, peace and love.